Batisi TV Lawan Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Jungka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Ringkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobying Jompi
MLA Jongko BJP Uba Alexander El Hek Hagasni Thoding Jongko Pratarik Upanaya Yong Arajar Arpuar Ula Kyntu Yaga Sorkar Jilla Bakade Ban Shimkhia Bha Halor Ka Khubor Jingbyrngem Bersit Bala Pha Daka Wei Ka Kinhon Ya Ka Bala Penkha Daki Samla Ki Bala Kam Bakidei Ki Bala Nangla Start Henrei Ki Bamyo Kam Yo Jam Hagajinya Keren Bat Ka Batisi TV Uba El Hek Uba Dairu Unong Ai Boj Jong Menteri Rangba Ka Jilla Ula Ong Baka Sorkar Kadai Ban Wat Lat Kilinti ban weng ye kene kijing kabala penpau da kinhon lawai ba pernai kabakam bakadon lai pu nyongut kidikhot kibadai ki samla kibala nangla start henrai kibam yo kam yo jam.
One wrong cannot correct the other wrong. Only the right path can correct the right things. And the right thoughts will correct the wrong things. The one wrong cannot correct the other wrong thing. This is very clear. But one wrong cannot correct the another wrong. Come to the right path. We can talk to Honorable Chief Minister. We can talk to the government. If they have their grievances, they thought they have been discriminating. Definitely, government will have to listen because they have every right to ask to the government. This is not only the 37 unemployed youth in our state. It may be more than 37,000 youths are unemployed in our state. We have to listen to the 37,000 maybe. Okay. Sole responsibility to the government. Sole responsibility to address all kind of grievances, particularly unemployment issues. People has not given a mandate to the BJP. We are only 2 MLA. There are also one in the ministry. How we can blame the BJP today? Still we have that our manifesto. When we will be given the full mandate by the people of Meghalaya, we will create as much as opportunity for the job, not only for educated youth, but uneducated also.